Have you ever lost data due to an intentional mistake or stuck in searching for a way to find how to recover your deleted data on your iPhone? If so, don't worry. I'm about to show you how to recover deleted data with a success recovery rate of 98%, and also I will tell you the most common reasons that cause unintentional data loss. The causes of data loss are varied, and I'm gonna tell you the most common reasons to cause data loss for most iOS users. So first one, accidental deletion of iOS data. While most iOS users don't want to admit it, one of the most common reasons for data loss is user error. Most users may delete photos, videos, contacts, text messages from iPhone, iPad, or iPod by pressing the wrong button. The second reason is jailbreak failure of iOS devices. Jailbreak, especially the failed one, would cause data loss. Also, physical damage of iDevices, iOS device loss, accidental iOS upgrades, iOS virus attack, and finally the most common reason is that the device locked by forgetting password. If you have set a password on iOS device to protect your personal information but unfortunately forgot the password, you may get stuck on the locked screen and have no access to your data. You can simply try this method to recover the lost data from your iPhone, iPad, iPod in a few clicks. The method that I'm gonna show you is by using Tenorshare UltData. UltData is the best iPhone data recovery software. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to download and install the software. First, go to the official website of Tenorshare UltData, and as you see, this is the software. UltData is the best iPhone data recovery software. It's a professional and specially designed for data recovery on iPhone, iPad, iPod to recover all types of data like contacts, photos, videos, messages, bookmarks, notes, and more. No matter whether you have backup or not, it's able to recover iOS data directly from iPhone, iPad, or iPod, or from iTunes or iCloud backup. This software can selectively recover deleted photos, messages, videos, and 35 other data types, support to retrieve WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, Line, WeChat, and more, recover data directly from iOS devices, iCloud, iTunes backup, professional iPhone data recovery software with 98% success rate, backup and restore social apps data, and support iOS system repair. Tenorshare UltData can quickly and efficiently recover deleted, lost, or inaccessible data in various situations such as accidental deletion, water damage, broken iPhone, factory reset, lost or stolen iPhone, iOS system issues, forgotten password, failed data transfer, or sync error with iCloud or iTunes, and more. Tenorshare UltData software is fully compatible with iOS 18 and iPhone 16. Now let's go ahead and download the software. The software works on Windows as well. Since I'm using macOS, so I will download macOS version. Hit the download button. As you see, the software is now downloading. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not gonna download it again. After downloading the software, go ahead and open the file to install it. Now just move UltData to Apps folder. Once you install the software, go ahead and open it, and as you see, this is the software and this is the main interface. The software has many features like recover deleted data, system repair, backup and restore iOS data easily, and more. From here you can recover deleted data from iPhone and iPad such as photos, videos, WhatsApp, messages, contacts, and more. You can also recover deleted data from iCloud backup or from iTunes backup. Here you can recover deleted data from WhatsApp, Line, Kik, and more. It can recover chat history, photos, videos, and attachments. In iOS system repair option here, the software allows you to repair over 150 iOS system issues like stuck on Apple logo, boot loop, black screen, forgotten password without losing data. It can fix the most common issues on iPhone, iPad devices. It supports all iOS versions and devices including iOS 18 and iPhone 16. In backup and restore option here, you can quickly back up and restore social apps data whenever you want. So let's go ahead and focus on recover deleted data. So go ahead and select from which you want to recover the deleted data. I will select from my iOS device. Now go ahead and connect your iOS device. I will connect my device. Once you connect your device, click on refresh. Okay, from here you can select which data you want to recover. I will select these data. Now click scan and wait for the process to finish. It may take some time depending on the data you have on your device. As you see, the scan is finished. This is my second device. It doesn't have many data, so now I will show you how to recover the data. I will select some photos. Okay, now I will select some videos. Once you select the data you want to recover, go ahead and click recover to Mac. Now wait for it to finish recovering data. And boom, it's done. Now just go ahead and check the data that you recovered. It's that simple. So if you lost unimportant data due to a problem with your iPhone, just go ahead and use Tenorshare UltData. Tenorshare UltData can recover all kinds of data like photos, music, videos, documents, contacts, and so much more. Tenorshare UltData is the best iOS system repair and recovery software. As you see, the software allows you to repair iOS system issues like stuck on Apple logo, boot loop, and more without losing data. Here you have two options, standard reset and advanced reset. With standard reset, you can restore the default factory settings of the device and solve problems such as network failures and no notification messages and more. With hard reset, you can restore the device to factory settings to the latest operating system to help solve problems such as forgotten passwords, system freezes, insufficient memory, network failures, and no notification messages. With the advantages of Tenorshare UltData software such as no iTunes needed, fix common issues, backup and restore data, reset iPhone and system repair, this makes Tenorshare UltData software the perfect software for you. I recommend you to download it and give it a try. Download it now from the download link below this video. You can download it and try it for free. You will find the download link in the description below this video. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and peace.